Kakapasok lamang ng balita, isang lalaki ang natagpuan patay sa Barangay Rosario, Mabini Street sa Imus, Cavite. Ayon sa mga residente na nakakita sa biktima, ay nadatnan na lamang nila itong dugaan at wala ng buhay. Hindi malinaw ang naging sanhi ng karumal-dumal na krimen na ito, ngunit patuloy ang pag-iimbestiga ng mga otoridad tungkol dito. Para sa iba pang balita, tumutok lamang sa Ronda Aksyon.
I gathered both of you here today for a reason. As a newcomer to our company, we have a tradition unlike any other. We're assigning it to solve an infamous unsolved case. Consider this as your initiation to our company. Here. This case occurred 3 years ago at Barangay Rosario, Mabini Street. The victim is Lucas Jimenez. He suffered from excessive physical injury and internal bleeding.
So, the incident took place in Barangay Rosario, Mabini Street. At yung victim, kilala siya bilang isang bully or gangster. Meron siya mga minor offenses but nothing serious than that. Advancing on a narrative, he was killed. And the victim suffered physical injuries. Pero pinakamalala dun, excessive physical trauma at internal bleeding.
Hindi ko alam, pero parang familiar sa akin yung kaso. Hindi ko alam yung buong detalye, but I think that happens in my hometown.
Then, let's go ahead and report the case. And let's investigate it.
Excuse me, officer. We're from the Central Enforcement Agency to require assistance in assessing the police report file pertaining sa passing assault na case. Pwede niyo po ba kayong tulungan para sa aming investigation?
Are you referring to the video and task force that was security experience evidence data?
Yes, that's the one.
Here it is. Just a heads up. This one is along with heating parts of the explanation.
We're used to it. We will see like justice for the victim. Mukhang maraming evidence recorded. Preliminary findings dito. Magandang simula ito para sa ating investigation. Kailangan natin kumuha ng mga documents, mga importanteng documents, para mabalik natin yung mga original files.
According to this report, Juan Jimenez daw yung pangalan ng biktima. Nakita ko yung bangkay niya sa Rosario Mabini 3 years ago. Medyo napabayaan lang yung case kasi wala masyadong mga ebidensya. Pero siguro makakahanap tayo ng ebidensya kung isingin tayo sa ibang location. May nakita ka ng CCTV footage saka unidentified watch na pwede natin makatulong sa investigation natin.
Nasa akin yung CCTV footage at yung object na inalapit nyo. Kami po lang for the recordings of the incident. Gagawa na rin po ng copy para sa ito.
Thank you, officer. We will now review the CCTV footage para makahanap kung may makatulong na sa investigation. Maraming salamat.
It seems like a regular watch. Nothing particularly distinctive, but maybe the past investigators have missed something. Let's go to the forensic lab and have more analysis.
We have found this watch from Lucas Jimenez case. The previous investigator were able to find any useful information from it. So maybe you can conduct a detailed analysis dahil baka sakaling meron silang na-overlook dati.
I will do my best, even though it's a per ordinary. There could be hidden clue or traces that the previous investigator missed. Magkakandak ako ng through examination and we'll see if there's any potential leads.
Tao po. Ito po ba si Miss Jimenez?
Ay, Mrs. Jimenez. Sino kayo? Anong kailangan?
Good day, Mrs. Jimenez. Mga detectives po kami at sinadya po talaga namin kayo dito.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I wasn't really expecting you. Hindi ko ako
It's alright, Mrs. Jimenez. We're from Sentinel Enforcement Agency and we're here to ask for your help.
anong yung tutulong ko? Pwede talaga pasok na kayo. Opo po kayo.
Po may hawak ng kaso ng anak ninyo. But due to insufficient evidence po, nandito po kami para magtanong-tanong ng mga bagay sa inyo na makakatulong sa investigation namin. If it's okay with you, ma'am.
Your participation in this ongoing investigation, ma'am, may help us to close this case and seek justice for your son.
3 years is example. Pero hindi kailanman, hindi ako sumuko para makakalap ng ibigay para sa justice sa anak ko. Kaya kung may makatanungan kayo, hindi ko answer ko.
So, how is the assertion?
Well, hindi ka palagi nakikita. Kailangan ko kasi ng trabaho. At pag-uwi naman ako, lagi siya nakatulong sa Pilipinas.
After what happened, ma'am, sinubukan niyo na po bang i-check yung kwarto?
Kahit po, things po, hindi ko rin pinagayon yung makakaroon niya. Kasi gusto ko, kung ano yung naiwan doon, kayo na rin yung mga nakikita sa nakikita ko.
If okay lang po sa inyo, pwede po ba kami pupunta sa mga
Sure, but please take care of this thing.
Huwag mag-alala.
This is my son.
Mrs., may I know this people?
Actually, I don't really know them either. Hindi din sila sa akin nabanggit ni Lucas. Maybe they are his friends.
His friends?
Yeah, hindi rin ako sure because they didn't show up at my son's funeral. But maybe.
Let's call it a day. Ma'am, thank you. Your cooperation helped us a lot. Maybe you can come back anytime.
Thank you so much, Mr.
Thank you so much, Ms. Jimenez. Makakaasa po kayong makakabalik kami dito pag nagkaroon kami ng linaw sa investigasyon.
Thank you so much.
Ano bang ginalaman ko sa kanya? Why do all the pieces of evidence seems to implicate me in this case? I can't remember anything, and I don't know what happened in the past. Could I truly be involved in this? Am I a suspect?
Good afternoon po. May naghahanap po sa inyo sa labas. May sasabihin daw po sa kaso na ako. Sino yung kasama na?
Ako isang witness. Handa akong sabihin lahat ang nakita ko.
Sabi ko ba lang ito?
Totoo ang lahat ng sasabihin ko. Pati na rin ang gabi na itong hiyat kong yun.
Ba't may plan pa?
Natatakot kasi ako na baka ako naman ang susunod na patayin kapag nagsalita ako. May pamilya pa akong binubuhay, kaya kailangan ko maging maingat.
Do you remember his face or physical appearance niya, yung damit niya. Naalala ko ba?
Gabi na nung nangyari yun. Hindi ko nakita ang mukha niya. Pero natandaan ko pa ang suot ng katawan niya.
Daniel, can you call the orthopedic specialist, please?
Sure. I'll call her right away.
Can you please describe the suspect?
Medyo madilim na noon kaya hindi ko siya masyadong namukhaan. Pero sure akong nakasuot siya ng black hoodie. Sakto lang ang tangkad at duguan siya noon. Mukhang sadyante din ang suspect eh. Natakbo siya nung nakita ko. Parang nawawala sa sarili. Hindi ko na nagawang pumunta kung saan siya galing dahil gabi na at delikado. Nabalitaan ko na lang kinabukasan na may namatay na doon.
No, this can't be happening. The watch was mine. Ako na lang nakunan sa CCTV. And I have a picture in his room. And now the witness describes the suspect. And it turns out to be me. Ano bang ginawa ko? It was me all along. I am the killer.
Totoo bang nahuli mo na ang murder? Upon receiving the report about the evidence, we have already found the killer. And he was right in front of us. He was with us all along. And he was walking. He was the killer.
Nahuli niyo na ba siya?
Unfortunately, wala na. He was found dead in his room last night, holding a gun. Upon examination, it was found out that it was a suicide. That's all I can disclose to the public right now. Thank you for your time.
Finally, wala na. Oops na. I won again. I didn't know it was that easy to manipulate that man, making him think that he was the one to blame for the killing of that bastard. But in reality, it was me all along. I was the one who killed him. Nangialam ka pa kasi. Kaya tuloy. Goodbye, I guess.
Bumila kayo!
So ngayon, nandito tayo sa